Hello, pilots of the internet. Welcome to Foldable Flight. My name is Kyle, and this is where I teach you how to fold paper airplanes that will blow your mind. And in this video, I am teaching you how to fold a sticky note paper airplane called Night Glider. Now, you can see the advantage of using a sticky note for a plane like this is that we can lock the front of our plane together without having to do any kind of complex origami. So this plane is easy to fold, but it flies exceptionally well. And you can see we've locked the back of the plane together also just by folding our wings so that the wing crease goes down to that back corner. So this plane is very aerodynamic and it flies very well. You can see it has these large wings that are going to give it a lot of lift and a great glide ratio. So without any further ado, let's see it in flight, and then I'll teach you how to fold it. All you're going to need to fold Night Glider is a sticky note. So let's peel it off just like this and get started. So we're going to begin by folding the right half, or the right edge, to the left edge and leave this sticky portion at the top. So that is easy enough, and again, here's our sticky portion. I'm going to fold this top edge now to the bottom edge, and instead of making a crease all the way across like I did here, I'm just going to make a little pinch in the middle, just a little mark, because all this is going to be is a reference for our next crease. So you can see I'm just kind of poking that spot, leaving a nice pinch that now I can fold this top edge to that pinch right there. Okay, and now with the sticky side here, I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to fold this corner here to that same pinch crease we made. And I'll fold the other side to match. And your plane should look like this. So the next step is also very simple. All we're going to do is fold this portion here, this little top edge, into the center. So it should look just like this. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. The nice thing about the sticky note is we don't have to make any locking folds. These are going to hold together just by the fact that they're sticking to the paper. And now we can fold the plane in half on that existing center crease, just like this. And that allows us to fold our wings. And what we want to do is, you can see there's kind of this area where this leading edge here gets a lot thicker. And there's kind of a breaking point there, and you can kind of see I'm trying to bend it at that point. That's where we're going to start our wing crease, and our wing crease will go all the way to this back corner right here. So I'll make the wing and then I'll unfold it to show you guys exactly what I've done here. Okay, so now you can kind of see the exact angle I'm talking about. It starts about there and slopes all the way down to that back corner. And once you've folded one, you'll flip it over and fold the other side to match. Be sure to line up this corner here with that corner. If you have any asymmetry in your plane, it can be hard to match your wings exactly, but that's going to help you get as close as possible, as if you're matching those corners. Okay, and you can see we almost have a finished Night Glider. All that we have to do now is fold some winglets. And so I'm going to set this down like so. And the idea here is I want to fold my winglets parallel to this central fuselage. So the size of your winglets will affect the balance of the plane a little bit. I'm going to fold some that I think are about the right size, but you may have to trim, adjust the plane a little bit after you folded it, depending on the symmetry of your plane and also the size of your winglets. So I'm going to fold them, again, just trying to keep this parallel to that central fuselage. A winglet about this size should do well for you. So once I've folded that, I will flip it over and fold the other side exactly to match it. Now, I'm gonna have trouble to match it perfectly here because I'm gonna try to keep my head out of the way of the camera. So my eyes aren't going to be in an ideal place to line this up, but hopefully I get it close enough. And I can open that back up now. Open my winglets. And you want this to be set. You want the wings to be set so they go pretty much straight level across the back here. No dihedral, no anhedral. You want it to be straight across, and these winglets should go vertically down just the same way that this fuselage does. And there you go, you have a finished night glider. Now, depending on how it flies, you may find that it wants to dive slightly as it flies. If that's the case for you, all you have to do is slightly bend the back edges of your wings up, and that will help counteract that tendency to dive. And this plane really does glide very well, especially for its size. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing for more awesome paper airplane content. And if you really like what I do, head over to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight. I will see you guys next time.